If you've ever wondered how to screen share Netflix on Discord, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Now, before we get into it, I want to mention that streaming copyrighted content may not be allowed in every situation, so always make sure you have the right to share what you're watching and follow the rules of the platform. With that said, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, open Netflix and sign in to your account. Make sure the show or movie you want to watch is ready to go, but don't start playing it just yet. Next, open Discord, either in the desktop app or in your browser, depending on how you normally use it. Now you need to join a voice channel or start a direct message call or group call. This is important because Discord screen sharing works from inside an active voice or call session. Once you're connected, open Netflix in a separate browser window or the Netflix app window. Keeping Netflix in its own window will make it much easier to select when you start sharing. Before you screen share, there's one very important step that can help avoid a black screen or display issue. You need to turn off hardware acceleration. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then open System, and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After that, relaunch Chrome so the change takes effect. If you're using Discord Desktop, open User Settings, scroll down to Advanced, and turn off hardware acceleration. Then relaunch Discord. This step can solve a lot of common screen share problems, especially when trying to share streaming apps like Netflix. Once both apps are ready, go back to Discord and click the Screen Share button. Discord will show you a list of windows you can share. Look for the Netflix browser window or the Netflix app window and select it carefully. Make sure you choose the actual Netflix window, not just your whole desktop, unless you specifically want to share your entire screen. After selecting the correct window, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. If your internet connection is solid, you can choose a higher quality setting for a smoother viewing experience. If you want to keep things stable, a lower resolution may work better. Once everything looks good, click Go Live or Share Screen. Now return to Netflix and start playing the video. If everything is set up correctly, your Discord friends should now be able to see the stream in the voice channel or call. If you get a black screen, go back and double-check that hardware acceleration is turned off in both your browser and Discord. Then try sharing the Netflix window again. That's the full process for screen sharing Netflix on Discord. It's really just a matter of opening Netflix, joining a Discord call, turning off hardware acceleration, selecting the correct window, and starting your stream. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials just like this one.